What's up guys, welcome to the first lesson of the essential tools in Photoshop. In this course we're going to share with you how we can use the essential tools in Photoshop and how we can get very quickly familiar with them. In this way we can jump straight into Photoshop. So we're going to start with the navigation tools. We're going to see how they work and what they do. So what we're going to do now, let's jump straight into Photoshop. In this way it's going to be a little bit easy for us to really understand. The first one that we're going to talk about is going to be the hand tool, which is this guy. Then we're also going to talk about the rotate tool, and we're going to touch up as well the zoom tool. These type of tools are the navigation tools. What they do, they give you the opportunity of manipulate the image without changing any information of the image. So it just gives you a different view, different perspective of the view of the image that you're working on. With the hand tool, it's very easy to use it. Now we need to make sure that if you're going to use it, see now I'm clicking, it's not doing anything, because what happened, until you're not zooming into the image, it won't do anything. So to make sure that it works, we just need to zoom in a slightly bit in. In this way later we can easily play around with it. Now I'm gonna use Command and plus to zoom slightly bit in the image. In this way it's gonna be easy for me to use the hand tool. So we can start now, see, to move the image around. And again, the beauty of the hand tool is that you can move the image very easily, and then you can adapt it to the workflow that you're using at the moment. Also, there is this little scrolling effect, which you, in case you can also remove it from the settings. What is quite interesting, you can just click fit screen, and this way it just goes back. Now let's talk about the rotate tool. When you working with the rotate tool, you click on the image and then you just rotate it, okay, with your mouse. Now you also go reset view in case you want to bring it back. In case you want to do something slightly bit quicker, what you can do, you can just press S and it brings you back. This is the beauty of rotate tool, which is quite used in retouching a process. What is another little tip about the rotate tool? Let's say you're using a different type of tool. I'm using the brush now, and at some moment I need to rotate the image. What you can do, you can just use it temporarily, the rotate tool. So you click R on your keyboard, then you use the rotate tool, and as soon as you release it, it goes back to your brush. So R, rotate it, and then go back, and then you can press again and then press S to come back to the normal view. In case you want to use the moving tool, you can do the same thing. Now you press space and then you click. In this way you can move the image around as you wish. So you release it and then it gets back to you with the pen tool. Now the zooming tool is very easy to use. Now you can automatically just press on the area that you want to zoom in, and then automatically it gets to that point. Then if you press Alt and then you click, it will zoom you out. This is called a scrubby zoom. Another type of option will be to don't use the scrubby zoom, and what it will do, when you use the tool, it gives you the opportunity of creating this rectangle shape or square as you want. And then as soon as you create your rectangle and then you release it, it zooms in. So up to you what type of effect you want to use. I tend to always use the scrubby zoom because I quite like it. And then you also go fit screen to come back to the normal view. This is the idea of the manipulation behind these type of tools. Again, it gives you the opportunity to see a picture in a different way.